Hey everyone, I want to show off real quick Claude Dispatch, where basically, unlike an AI chatbot, you can actually have Claude take over your computer, do some work, and email it to you. So, say you're on the train and you need a report done, you can just ask Claude to take over your computer real quick and write it up for you. So, I'm going to demo this real quick. And what I'll do is I'll go on my phone here and I'll say, hey Claude, could you run the weekly credit spread tracker? Hit run. Then you should see that on the computer it will also be triggering this skill. Here it's writing the email. So it went to the website and now it's going to go to the email and start attaching the Excel file. And again, I haven't touched anything on my computer here. It's making some typos, but it's trying to type here. It's a little freaky. I don't know where it's going on my computer here, but we'll hopefully. And it eventually did make it to my phone. Sent 3 versions, so I'll click the one with an attachment here. Open it up here in Excel. And it did a decent job. So again, pretty cool that you can use AI to take over your computer and help you do some work when you're not next to your desktop.